Hello, welcome to my channel specializing in charcoal drawing. I'm Mohammed El Khadi from Egypt, and I'm excited to be your guide on this artistic journey. Here, you'll learn all the basics and advanced techniques to help you improve your charcoal drawing skills. Whether you're a beginner or a professional, you'll find inspiring content and useful tutorials. Subscribe to the channel and join our artistic community to share experiences and tips. Let's embark on this creative journey together. In today's drawing, we'll learn how to draw a realistic eye using charcoal. I'll explain step by step how to achieve the fine details and shadows that make the eye look real. The tools we'll be using are charcoal pencil, charcoal eraser, small brushes for shading, Faber-Castell regular eraser, eraser pencil, and charcoal powder. Make sure to follow the video closely and observe my hand movements to learn the technique correctly. Whether you're a beginner or looking to improve your drawing skills, this lesson is made for you. Now, we start shading the eye with charcoal pencil from the inside. Try not to press too hard with the pencil as we shade layers on top of each other, and leave the lighting areas. We will now shade above and below the eye using cotton, a cotton pen, and charcoal powder. Do not apply pressure. You must keep your hand light when shading. If you're enjoying the drawings, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to be the first to see new artwork. Feel free to leave your comments and likes, as your support means a lot to me and helps me to create more creativity. Thank you for all your support and encouragement. We wipe the light spots inside the eye with the pencil and put some touches with the white soft pastel pen. We draw the eyelashes now. You must take care of the direction of the eyelashes, as the upper eyelashes are larger than the lower ones. This was not a lesson about eyebrows, but here they are. Just be careful about the movement of the hair in the eyebrow, as it has a direction, and we erase the lines with the plastic in the same direction so that it is realistic. If you're enjoying the drawings, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to be the first to see new artwork. Feel free to leave your comments and likes, as your support means a lot to me and helps me to create more creativity. Thank you for all your support and encouragement.